Japanese food naman ang dinner namin during our stay dito sa The Greenery. So ayan, at ang sarap maglakad-lakad sa gabi mula sa kwarto namin papunta dito sa Matsuri Japanese Restaurant. Nasa loob siya mismo ng The Greenery ha, so hindi nyo kailangan lumabas at walking distance lang naman talaga. Although kahit hindi ka naka-check-in, pwede ka ring mag-walk-in dito para kumain. Ito ang lahat ng mga in-order namin. And to start with, we had our miso soup that comes with the rice meals na in-order namin at itong kani salad. The salad was so good and fresh. And right after that, sinunod agad namin itong sukiyaki. Syempre gusto natin yan agad kainin habang mainit pa yung sabaw. It was a little bit sweet and savory, tapos merong glass noodles, maraming mushrooms, and beef. Dito pa lang super enjoy na kami. And then ito yung order ni Papa na beef gyudon, pero syempre makikitikim tayo. This is standard naman, nothing too different, and the quality of the beef is really good. Etong sumunod is a salmon dish with stir-fried vegetables at the bottom, and it was so good. Siguro medyo bias ako kasi mahilig ako sa salmon, pero yung pagkakaluto kasi is really nice. It's very lightly seasoned lang, so you really get to appreciate the flavors of the fish. Tapos yung pagkaka-stir-fry ng gulay, hindi overcooked. Meron din tayong chicken karage and fried squid. The chicken is very crispy, the usual karage naman. And then yung fried squid, syempre yung magdadala dyan yung masarap na dip. Meron din silang mga bento meals. This first one has that very juicy and fatty na grilled salmon belly with rice, California maki, and kani salad on the side. Syempre nag-enjoy na naman kami kasi nga grilled salmon yan, tapos sasabayan mo ng pickled ginger. Nako, finish na. Yung pangalawang bento naman has rice, kani salad, sashimi, and tempura. And of course, I have to have an entire order of sashimi. Look at that fresh, thick-cut salmon. Buti na lang hindi kumakain sila Papa nito, so sa tuwing mag-order ako ng ganyan, solong-solo ko. It was really good at nasatisfy na naman yung sashimi cravings ko. And last but not least, meron din kami nitong sushi boat that has 8 different kinds of sushi, perfect for sharing, nang hindi nyo kailangan mag-agawan at hindi rin kayo mabibitin. All in all, it was a very pleasant and satisfying dinner here at Matsuri at talaga nag-enjoy kami. After this, naglakad-lakad ulit kami around the greenery bago bumalik sa kwarto at matulog.